What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enter a button that links to the post into a posts based slider on Revolution Slider WordPress plugin. Into a video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, I did explain it how to create a posts based slider. So this is my blog posts, and this slider is made using the blog's posts as an example. So we can display the posts into a better way, into a more elegant way, and into a slider style, okay? It's excellent for blogs, okay? But the button, it's not linking to the single post. How to fix it? This is what I'm gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials. Review the left sidebar of menus and click on Slider Revolution, okay? Once on Slider Revolution, scroll it down until you find your slider. In my case, it's posts slider, okay? This guy right here. I'm gonna hover my mouse over it and click into this pencil icon, so we can load the editor. Now you need to locate the button, okay? Right here, if you click, you're gonna be able to see the title of the slider. And here is my button. Read more. As you can see, there is no action to this button. It's just an empty button. So the button will never link to the posts. How to fix it? Review the right side of your screen on slider after clicking on the button and go to actions right here. Once on actions, I'm gonna click on simple linking to link actions. Click action type simple link, it's very important, okay? And when enter link, you're gonna type this. Just like this. Opening, curly, bracket, 2 times. Link, closing, curly, bracket, 2 times. Just like this. Copy this code, okay? You can close it now. Into the bottom right corner of your screen, hit the save change. Now, let's update the slider. Let's refresh the page. Now, if I click into the read more button, I'm gonna be directed to the post just because of the link that we did enter. Same right here, and into every single post based slider, okay? Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!